Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the sounds and vibrations. So we do not really have to scroll down really far. So let's tap on it, and right here we've got the section which is connected with any kind of sound. So we've got the ringtone, notification sound, system sound, etc. So let me tap on the ringtone because we want to change it for incoming calls, and as you can see, after tapping on it we will be transferred to this list of pre-installed options of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. What is more, at the top of this list we've got this silent option, which means that after choosing it your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And we can also tap on this plus icon. We will be transferred to our own files, so if you've got anything, for example, downloaded or recorded, it will appear right there and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. If you want to set something from those pre-installed options, you have to listen how they sound, right? So all you have to do is to tap on it, and then you are able to check whether you like it or not. So after choosing specific ringtone, let's pretend I want this planet option to be applied. Make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.